What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Today we are going to be talking about the new mats in my 2021 FK8 Type R. This is my Boost Blue Pearl Type R, and I did end up cleaning out the interior. I have some pictures I also took. I wish I got some videos about it because there were basically still dealer protective plastics on the, well, where the mats are supposed to be, which is really weird. So let me know if you guys have ever seen those. Pretty sure the dealer was supposed to remove them. All right, so I just installed some HFP Honda Factory Performance mats. They look amazing. They look like really good quality. Let's check them out right now. All right, guys, so this is my Type R, and here are the mats. It's a little dark in here, but you can see it has the badges, Honda Factory Performance badges. They fit really well. They have the little locking circles, the little locking holes on the back, and I really do like these. They are great quality as well. Yeah, you probably can't see them very well, but they fit really well. So that is the front. This is the driver's side. Loving this car so far, guys. The interior is amazing. It's one of the best things about this car is how cool and special the interior is, and I am really liking it. Even this fake carbon fiber, I'm not a big fan of super fake carbon fiber, but still looks good. I still like it. So my Lexus also had some fake carbon fiber. It was more like a silver plastic looking carbon fiber. Did look good though. And this car, it does look great. So here are the mats, guys. Yeah, this is the driver mat. It does look good. It's all red. So when I purchased this car, it was missing mats. I don't know if the dealer forgot to include them or if someone just took them at the dealership, but it was missing mats. And usually when you purchase a car, they'll be like in the trunk or in the car. This didn't have them, but it did have the protective plastic layering where you put your feet, which is really weird. And it said something like dealer must remove plastic or something like that. I don't know. So I did purchase these because I was looking at some stock Type R FK8 mats, but they were around the same price for used when I could just get brand new. And these are red, so I'm hoping that you won't see dust and dirt on them as much. And these do fit really well. Obviously, these are a stock Honda genuine part. And so that was the driver's side. Let's check out the back. All right, so here's the back. Fits really well as well. Nothing special in the backs. I do like how the passenger and the driver side mats have the little HFP badge on them. So they do look really cool. I do like them. So I will try to get in here and show you guys the passenger mat really quick. All right, it's a little dark in here, guys. This is probably not the best lighting, but here is the passenger. So I think these mats really do complement the interior well, because obviously it's the Type R, so it has a lot of red in here, and there's a lot of red accents as well. And now we have some red mats. So these do remind me more of the FK8 and the older Type R mats, but they're a little darker. They don't exactly match the seat or anything. They're a little darker red, but I do like them a lot. They do look really good, and they seem to be really good quality. So yeah, guys, I wanted to just make an update, let you guys see what the mats look like inside of the car. I think they look great. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys have checked these mats out or if you guys are planning on buying these mats. I did buy these from a Honda dealership online on eBay. I think they were like $130 or something like that. All right, guys, quick video just to show you guys the mats installed in the car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.